Welcome to Tech Shorts. Today we're going to talk about how to delete your temporary files on your computer to regain hard drive space. Now there's a few ways we can do it. The first one is to come to the Windows Settings menu. And from here we're going to click on System. And we're going to move down to Storage. And you can see that we've got an understanding of what our storage looks like on the computer. Here you can see we have 460 gigs of space on this SSD, and it breaks down how all of this information is sorted. At the very bottom you see temporary files, and it's 265 megs of temporary files on this computer that needs to be deleted. If I click on that, it's going to show me what is part of this information. So Windows Update Cleanup, we can get rid of 3.49 gigs of information from Windows Update. We can also get rid of the upgrade log files, thumbnails, delivery optimization. If you don't use them currently, you can click this and select it. One thing I would say is don't click on this right here unless you want to remove files you've downloaded that are in your download file. Leave that. Down at the bottom it says 60.3 megabytes for updates. Now what this means is this. Up to 61 or 69.1 megabytes may not be reclaimable. So out of this information, you can see that we're going to reclaim 4 gigs of information. We're going to reclaim 4 gigs out of my hard drive by cleaning all this stuff. All I need to do is click Remove Files, and it will get rid of all this information. There is another way you can do this. Down in your search bar, you can type %temp%, and it will open the temporary file folder on your computer. This contains all the temporary files that you can find on your computer. And one of the things you can do is Control A, click Delete, and then it's going to recycle all this information. So one of the things that you can see is, well, we can't do this because the application is open. So right now what's happening is certain applications are creating temporary files while we're using the computer. So we just want to, I'm going to choose this, do this for all these current items, is just click Skip. And then here it says you'll need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. I'm not an administrator, so I'm just going to click Skip. And now we've deleted all the files in our temporary folder. If we move back to this and I go back to Settings, and let me go back to Home and start this process again. Click on System, Storage, and if I click on Temporary Files, it's going to do another scan, and you'll notice that it says there's 4 gigs. What you find is that the temporary folder holds information. However, the Windows Update Cleanup and upgrade files and stuff don't necessarily all fall into that one folder. This is where this is a much better way to delete your temporary files. So we just click Remove Files, and what it's doing is it is purging Windows, as it says, of the update cleanup. And after this is complete, we're going to get back 4 gigs of space on our hard drive. Now that we're done cleaning up our temporary files and we've gained back our 4 gigabytes of space, you can see it's asking me, do I want to clear the recycle bin? And I can't clear delivery optimization because we already tried that, but I can just click Remove Files here and it's just going to empty my recycle bin as well. So we've gained back all the space we can possibly get on our computer and deleted our temporary files. The best thing to do from this point is to restart your computer. Another suggestion may be that you restart your computer before you do this temporary file deletion, and then restart your computer afterwards. Let the memory and cache clear so that it runs faster and you get all the space back.